So for this installation, I'm going to be showing you guys how to swap a WRX Center Console to a STI one. So in this swap, this is my 2017 WRX, by the way. But you're going to have to order 3 parts. First one is this one right here. I'll put the links to it in the description, right? And prices and stuff and how much it cost me to do all this. The second one is going to be this one right here, which is the little cup holder thing. And then this is optional, but I bought it. It's the SI drive for STIs. I just bought it, so I can cover this hole in because I don't want it to be like a hole right there. I bought it for eBay. So, and also I already installed this. I'm installing it so I can make a video on it, so I can show you guys how to do it, because I looked up on YouTube and there's no videos on how to do this. But you also need to buy a new, compartment box, I guess. This is the old one right here. But yeah, you need to buy this one too. I'll put the link in the description to everything. Oh, and also buy some these screws right here, the 8x1/2. These come in handy, trust me. But so for, what you do first, obviously you take those bolts out, and then you pull this away. Then you take this bolt out. I already did it, but you take the bolt out right there. And also to switch the glove box, there's a screw right there. You take that off. After that, you disconnect all your electronics, wires, whatever, from the old glove box. And then there's 4 screws holding the old compartment box, which is one right here, this other side, and then 4 at the bottom. You'll find them. But after that, and also you have to swap this from the old one to this one, to the new one, or else it won't hold on. But then after that, so after unbolting that, this comes off really easy. So I can even take it off. There we go. And then after that, like I said, you switch out the box, which I've already done. So then you connect it right here. These go right here. Let's see here. It goes right there, and it holds on by some clips. And like I said, those screws that you buy at the Lowe's or whatever, it goes 2 right here, 1 right there, and then I believe that's the only one. Let me do it real quick. So after putting those screws in, like I said, this SI drive thing is optional, but then it holds 2 bolts right here. And then after that, after you install the little compartment box, you put this right here, line it up. So after you line it up, there's a bolt that goes right here. You put that bolt in there, and after putting that bolt in there, you connect all back your accessories, like your USB, whatever you have. And also don't forget to put that one screw that holds that goes from the little compartment box to the cup holder thing. Don't forget that screw. And one that goes right there as well. So after doing all that, you set it down. You tuck all these wires under there so they're not poking out the side. Try to align it. Make sure the screws line up. Be right back. So after doing that, it should be all secure. Move. One's the thing. So the old one, it comes with the pop clip right here thing, and the new one doesn't have that. So it might be a little loose from here. But I don't really mind. But if you do, you can always, put some double sticky tape on there or something. But yeah, after that, the installation should be, all good. The cup holder things, up there. That's it. Oh, by the way, we can put this back. It should be ready. So after doing that, your box should be ready. And that's how you do a console swap from a WRX to a STI.